Hi everyone, Connor here from Team Blockdaemon, and today we are presenting a tutorial designed to show you the process of how to stake ETH in the Ledger Enterprise Vault with Blockdaemon's staking API via Wallet Connect. First, log into your Ledger Enterprise Vault account. We want to leverage Wallet Connect to connect Ledger Vault to the Blockdaemon staking API. In your Ledger Vault dashboard, in the left-hand menu, you will need to navigate to dApps. Under the list of dApps, you will see an option for Wallet Connect. Please select this option. To establish this connection and to link Wallet Connect and Ledger Vault together, you need to open a new tab and navigate to the Blockdaemon app. When you've logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Protocols. This will list the available protocols in your account. Select the Ethereum stake option. You are then presented with two options, staking and liquid staking. Under staking, select the option for Start Staking. You are then presented with a button to connect. Select this option. A pop-up will now appear asking you which network you wish to connect with. For the purposes of this video, we will select the Ethereum test network Girly. You will now be presented with a Connect Wallet pop-up. From the list of pre-populated wallets, click on Wallet Connect. You will now be presented with a QR code and the option to copy link. Select this option. Now, navigate back to Ledger Vault. Under the dApps field in the left-hand menu where you were previously, at the bottom of the page you will see a field to paste your Wallet Connect URL. Paste your copied link here and click Connect. You are now presented with a screen giving you the option to choose which Ethereum network you wish to connect to on the Ledger Vault. Select the Girly network and select Connect. You are now presented with a screen to confirm that you have connected your Wallet Connect with Ledger Vault with the option to disconnect. Now navigate to your Blockdaemon Wallet Connect tab. Under the protocol section where you were previously, it will show here also the connection to Ledger with your address field and balance. Now that you can see that both entities are connected, you can start the staking process. Under Select Staking Plan, choose the testnet plan that would have been set up by your Customer Success Manager. Select the amount of validators that you wish to stake. We will select one for the purposes of this video. Check that all of the fields are correct and that your withdrawal address has the correct address. This will be the same as the address within your Ledger Vault. Now, click Stake on the right-hand side. You will then be presented with a pop-up again to confirm your withdrawal credentials. Then click Confirm and Purchase Validators. You will then be presented with a screen showing in real time the purchase of one validator. A message will then pop up stating transaction broadcasting in process. Please check your wallet. Now, switch back to Ledger Vault. Navigate back to Wallet Connect in the dApps section in the left-hand menu. Then click to select. You will now have a pop-up notification to create an interaction. You have the option to name the interaction and leave some comments if you wish to do so. Ensure that you are happy with all the populated information which details from. This is from what network. This is selected as Girly. Max fees. Fees for the staking transaction on chain. Max total. This shows the total amount of ETH for a validator with the fees in each field. And to accept this, click Create Transaction. Ensure that your Ledger physical security device is connected to approve the upcoming transaction. A pop-up will now appear showing you a message informing you that your approval step has been completed, but there is one other approval step required to broadcast the transaction. Click Done. For the purpose of this video, we will log out and log in with a different account to approve the staking process. In a real-world scenario, this would be another employee or person that would complete this step. Now, we are logged into the Ledger Vault account that has been requested to approve. You need to navigate to Requests in the top left-hand menu. You will see a Awaiting Approval field with a message to review on PSD, Physical Security Device. Click this button. Now, review on your Ledger device to ensure you are happy with the staking transaction details, accept, and click Done. You will then have a pop-up showing that you have approved the request and the transaction has been signed and broadcast. Now, navigate back to your Ledger Vault, where within your home screen dashboard under Last Transactions, it will show the executed transaction. Under your Account section, it will show an updated balance. Under Status, it shows the remaining confirmations until the transaction is complete. You can then navigate to the Girly Testnet Beacon Chain Explorer to view the transaction if you wish. This gives you real-time information as to the status of your validator. So there you have it. You're now able to stake Ethereum in Ledger Vault with Wallet Connect. Stay tuned by subscribing to Blockdaemon's YouTube channel for more deep dives into the world of staking. But until next time, we wish you a successful staking journey.